The Independent National Electoral Commission says it has considered all 13 recommendations specifically addressed to Inec in the 2023 General Elections report. Professor MAHMOOD YAKUBU made the disclosure when he received a follow-up team from the ECOWAS network of electoral commissions, ECONEC. MAHMOOD highlighted that the Commission has considered all the recommendations that require administrative action while waiting for the conclusion of the ongoing legal review by the National Assembly on aspects of the recommendations that require legislative intervention.
For Nigeria's 2023 general election, ECOWAS made 37 recommendations for consideration by 7 critical institutions and stakeholders in the electoral process. Of these recommendations, 13 are addressed to Inec, while 24 require action by other institutions and stakeholders, such as the National Assembly, the Nigeria Police Force, the National Broadcasting Commission, the National Information Technology Development Agency, civil society organizations, the Nigeria Union of Journalists, and political parties under the umbrella of the Interparty Advisory Council, IPAC. Furthermore, the follow-up mission will also interact with the National Identity Management Commission, NIMC. Of the 13 observations specifically addressed to Inec, the Commission has considered all of them that require administrative action to implement while waiting for the conclusion of the ongoing legal review by the National Assembly on aspects of the recommendations that require legislative intervention. The Commission has prepared a detailed response to each of the 13 observations, most of which are already contained in our 142 recommendations for electoral reform, which resulted from wide-ranging consultations with critical stakeholders.
In response, the head of ECOWAS Network of Electoral Commission, ECONEC, post-election follow-up needs assessment mission and chairperson of the National Elections Commission of Liberia, Mrs. Davidetta Brown Lansahan, said its engagement with Inec will unravel some of the issues that emanated from the 2023 elections and how Inec was able to navigate in a way that it has found answers to those challenges. She also commended the Commission for its support through material sharing with the National Elections Commission in Liberia.
We have come to see how best Inec has implemented those recommendations, and we anticipate that during our engagement, we may be able to understand reasons for some of the issues that came out of the 2023 elections and how Inec was able to navigate in a way that it has found answers to those challenges that abound during the 2023 elections. More importantly, Inec has supported through material sharing with the National Elections Commission in Liberia. Because of your intervention, we now have an ICT room.
This joint post-2023 election follow-up and needs assessment mission to Nigeria is a peer-to-peer review of the recommendations offered in the 2023 elections, which were outlined in a report.